Here's another thing, development with Apple. Got a couple more Apple stories. Don't worry, it's not overwhelming today. Just a couple more Apple stories. People in the comments, will they talk to us? Yeah. They say, why is it always Apple off the chop? And I just say to you, man, it's that there's a lot of people want to know about what Apple's doing.
Mm-hmm.
And besides, the real show happens at the end.
Yeah, the fun stuff.
And that's what the Lou Later people know that are on here. And so you will be greatly rewarded. If you're not into Apple but you go on this journey with us,
just stick around.
You will be greatly rewarded. You have Willie Doo's word. You're wearing a jacket today, by the way.
Yeah. It was a little cold here. A little chilly.
You feeling all right, Will?
No.
You're gonna be awake for this episode or no?
I'm gonna try.
Maybe we'll see.
Get some Timbits in me.
I just ate like half a pack over there.
Oh, right.
Yeah. I left a few. Don't worry. Don't
okay.
worry. Yeah. So a couple more Apple things. This one, they're developing a new remote for the next generation Apple TV, according to this report, 9 to 5 Mac.
Yeah.
And I got
Are you excited about this?
Oh, look, it's the worst remote in my life. I have an Apple TV and a TV in my house, and the kids use it, and
it's with the is this one?
That's the one. Yeah, that's the one. It's okay. This remote will drive you crazy. And people don't even need to hear me go on about it again. Because I've been doing it.
Well, let's hear it again.
Well,
why is it so bad?
I'll just break it down real quick. I mean, anyone who's had experience with it already knows, but I'll break it down real quick. The thing is so slim and light, and it's touch sensitive. And it is like, where do you use an Apple TV or any streaming box? You use it from the couch. Mm-hmm. And I don't know what type of couch you got, but I'm going to guess that your couch has some crevices in it. It has some seams in it. This remote loves to find the craziest spots to wedge itself. It's got a mind of its own, this remote.
Gets lost in your underwear?
It might.
Yeah.
It easily could. That's how slim and trim it is. And it never crossed my mind. Like, it never, prior to this product existing, I never looked at my remote and thought, this could be too small. But it actually can be too small. And it needs a few more buttons because so much of the interface is this touchpad, which you can have unintended touches and clicks, and it's just a tough. First of all, it's a tough thing to do a good remote for an interface from the couch.
Mm-hmm.
Ideally, you want to use voice wherever possible. Voice it's good, but. Anyway, so I went to Amazon and put like a neon glow-in-the-dark case on the thing, a giant rubber case, so that maybe it wouldn't get misplaced as frequently.
Mm-hmm.
I know what you're saying, Will.
What?
I know what you're saying. You're saying, hey, dude, why don't you just like put it in the same place every time? Why don't you just like put it beside the TV and then you know where it is and it's never lost, idiot? I know that's what you just said to me. But what I need to say back to you, what I need to say back to you is I got people in my house. I can't control what everybody's doing.
Yeah.
I don't, it's not like that. I have that one with the up. That one right there. The Elago R3 case. And they say it's a protective case, but I tell you right now, I guarantee everybody who's using it is doing so they can actually find the thing. It makes it about twice as fat. It makes it less slick. So when it does get near the couch, it's a little harder for it to sneak into those spots.
Sure.
But anyway, point being is they're developing a new remote, according to this report from Philip Esposito. Hearing rumors of next generation Apple TV for a while now. Company plans to officially announce it. Details about the remote are still unknown, but 9 to 5 Mac sources have told us that this model is being developed under the code name B519, which is quite different from the code name of the current remote, internally identified as B439.
Oh.
Cryptic. It's a new name.
Yeah.
New numbers equals better. Look, I don't know. They're on the inside. They hear the reports. I'm sure people complain to them. And maybe some of those complaints will result in some alterations to the next version, or maybe not. Maybe it's even more slim. Maybe they shrunk it even further.
Yeah.
We'll have to wait and see. It's a hard thing to do, though. I feel the need to put that out there. To give you a remote to control an interface like that from the couch. A lot of them you end up with a directional pad, and it's a lot of clicking, and that might be better in some circumstances, but it's a hard place to innovate and figure out what the best version of this thing should be.
Well, hopefully Apple pulls through.
I mean, I don't know, man. They got some people over there.
Yep.
They got some employees.